Today we're looking at the 2025 GAC EMKOO 1.5 Executive Plus, a modern SUV that focuses on design and technology. Well, it looks futuristic both inside and out, but I have some concerns about certain design elements. We'll talk about those later in this video. Now, looking at the side, as we move from the front, you are greeted with a modern looking design featuring long LED lights. However, as you move towards the rear, things start to look less interesting. Yes, it has a long, good looking tail lights, but I feel they extended the rear a bit too far. The alloy wheels give the EMKOO a strong road presence, and the tires are wide enough to offer good grip and stability. Small potholes won't even disturb the ride. I think what makes this car stand out is the front. Just take a look at it. The design is very unique and full of detail, featuring a large futuristic grille and sharp LED headlights. Overall, the EMKOO looks modern and bold. Its design feels very different from many SUVs in this segment, giving it a more futuristic personality. Now, this is my first concern about this car. Yes, I understand it's a family car, but the rear feels overly stretched, the bumper is quite large, and on top of that, they've added two fake exhausts. Come on, JC. This car has a 1.5-liter engine, so why even include two fake pipes? But that aggressive looking boot spoiler is on point and improves airflow when driving at speed. If you haven't subscribed, please do. It really makes a difference and helps support the channel. The EMKOO uses a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine producing around 130 kilowatts and 270 Newton meter of torque. It can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in about 8.5 seconds, which is quite good for this class. The boot is spacious and practical, offering plenty of room for luggage, groceries, or travel bags. Under the boot floor, you'll find the spare tire compartment and tools neatly stored, making it easy to access if needed. You also get the top tether anchors here, which helps secure child seats safely. If there were a way for me to adjust the speed, I'd set it to maximum. Welcome to the interior of GAC EMKOO Executive Plus. I tried talking, I'm not ready yet. The passenger side dashboard looks clean and modern with a minimalized design. There's something I want to show you guys before we fully dive into the interior. Alright, so let's go disco mode. My vehicle. So I just want to show the lights. So I need to select the code. Say, let me select this one. Code. Okay. Bang. These are ambient music lights. They change color and react to the music playing in the car. I'll leave this one to you guys. Please let me know in the comments what you think about this feature. Here you can control your seat position. There's this is down, up. Okay, this one, front, back, up, down, front, back. Nice. Okay, side mirrors. Okay, back. The sunshade position can be adjusted electronically with just a touch. You can open or close it to control how much sunlight comes into the cabin. You can also control the car windows easily with these electronic switches. This control adjusts the temperature inside the car. The front seats also come with ventilation, which is a great feature especially on hot days. It allows cool air to flow through the seat, making long drives much more comfortable. You can select different driving modes, and the car also comes with several driver assistance systems for safety. You can also change the driving modes using controls here in the center console. The infotainment feels very smooth when scrolling. You can adjust fan speed and audio volume using side buttons, and you can also see the camera view from outside the car. The digital dashboard is clear and modern. It shows important driving information like tire pressure, temperature, and which seat is in use. Since I'm sitting in the driver's seat, that seat is shown in red. You also get a head-up display, projecting key information onto the windshield. The steering wheel feels light and includes buttons for media, calls, and driver assist. Driver assist features. Proper events design. The design is giving modern and help distribute air evenly throughout the cabin. You also get a wireless phone charger and cup holders. One small issue is that the start button is too close to the hazard lights button. You could press the wrong button when trying to use the hazards, which is not safe. Below that area, you'll find USB ports and a 12-volt power socket, which are useful for charging devices. The door handle design is unique and more comfortable to use. The front seats are comfortable and supportive, making them great for longer drives. The rear seats offer decent space for passengers. When driving the EMKOO, it feels smooth and refined. The turbo engine gives enough power for daily driving, and the suspension handles bumps well. The steering is light, which makes city driving easy. Fuel consumption is around 6.4 to 7.5 liters per 100 kilometers, which means with a 55-liter tank, you could get around 700 to 800 kilometers of range on a full tank. In South Africa, the GAC EMKOO Executive Plus cost around 550,000 rands to 600,000 rands, depending on dealership offers. Insurance could range between 1,500 rands and 2,200 rands per month, depending on your profile. Reliability is something that many buyers are watching because GAC is still building its reputation in many markets. However, the brand has been improving and the warranty coverage helps give buyers peace of mind. Common concerns owners sometimes mention include infotainment software glitches or learning many tech features. But overall, the car offers excellent value for the amount of technology you get. So is the GAC EMKOO worth buying? If you want a modern SUV with futuristic styling, lots of tech and a good performance for the price, the EMKOO is definitely worth considering. I'm Kakai, and I'll see you on the next ride.